Good morning, everyone. This is the swearing ceremony of the Deputy Governor Kisii, Kisii County. I have confirmed the swearing is commencing at 10:18, which is within time because the swearing should be done before 2 p.m. So we will proceed with the process. Lady, this is the swearing-in ceremony of the Deputy Governor of Kisii County, pursuant to the date notice number 9066 dated 19th July 2024, in fulfillment of the requirement of Article 74 of the Constitution. My lady, you are called upon to administer the oath of office of Deputy Governor. And now call upon my lady to take her position and hold the Constitution. Just hold it. Just hold it. Yeah. Then you will repeat the oath after me. Say I and say your name. And then read the oath as it is written in front of you.
I, Elijah Obebo, do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Deputy Governor of Kisii County, that I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office, and I shall do justice to all in accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Kenya without fear, favor, affection, or ill will, and so help me God.
So we shall proceed to have the oath signed.
Your Excellency, the Governor, Paul Simbarati, the Speaker of the County Assembly, Honorable Dr. Philip Machukinyanumba, Honorable members of the County Assembly, distinguished Honorable members of the Judiciary, the learned judges, County Secretary, County Executive Committee members, Chief Officers, members of the County Park Service Board, directors of departments and the county officials, and all protocols observed. I wish to say, ladies and gentlemen, it is with great humility, a sense of responsibility and a determination to selflessly serve that I accept appointment as the Deputy Governor, Kisii County. Your Excellency, let me begin by thanking the Almighty God for making this day possible. I give God all the glory for allowing me to attain this milestone. Your Excellency, I further thank you for finding me suitable to be your principal assistant and a confidant. As a gesture of this confidence you have shown in me, Your Excellency, I promise and undertake to be your loyal lieutenant. Your Excellency, I thank my family, with me, Margaret, and our children who have been great pillars in my steadfast life up to this point in time. From the humble beginnings, Your Excellency, at Masongo, Masito village, all through the national government, and now to be your loyal deputy. This is a testament that any child born of a woman can become anything with hard work, integrity, and resilience. Your Excellency, I reiterate my commitment, dedication, and goodwill to deliver on your manifesto and vision for a great Kisii County. Your Excellency, I I particularly resonate very well with your stance on zero tolerance to corruption and the prudent use of public resources. This is the promise of freedom that Ababusi have been longing for. Your Excellency, my taking out of office effectively ends my short stint and exciting time as chairperson Kisii County Public Service Board. In this short time, we have achieved much under your stewardship. We can certainly ride on this goodwill to deliver more for our people. To those who are naysayers, Your Excellency, let them take notice that your government shall deliver, and precisely so. As Martin Luther King once said, darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can. Hate cannot drive out hate. Only love can. Therefore, let us respect and do that which is right. As I conclude, Your Excellency, I solicit the support, cooperation, and understanding of all. I am persuaded that as a team, Your Excellency, we will get the job done under your leadership. Your Excellency, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I thank you immensely for finding time to grace this occasion despite your busy schedule. Your Excellency, I pledge to be your car guide. C standing for careful, A for being available, and I for being reliable. God bless the great people of Kisii, Simba, Simba. Thank you.
Lots of words that I'm going to find on this morning to appreciate and thank the judiciary led by Justice for the three judges who are here, but the two came to do what they were sent, and one was doing with us. His Lordship, Justice Nyachai, who is the son of the soil, with your colleagues who are here, Mr. Speaker, dear, nimekuona ukiwa na uniambia kitu nitasema baadaye. Nimekuona. Count Anthony, the MCAs, I want to take this opportunity to thank you. And first and foremost, you know, it has been a long journey since the former DG left the office, and many said many things. Up to yesterday, I want to confirm that I traveled from Nairobi this morning to come and witness this event. I want to thank the President of the Republic of Kenya because he intervened yesterday when some people, they are ignorant. The Gazette note is only to Gazette a date and a venue. The President, I think, intervened yesterday, then the Gazette notice came out yesterday. This morning, we had to make sure that Honorable Obebo is now the Deputy Governor. My elder brother Elijah, you are retired from the civil service. Here you are serving as a Deputy Governor. There are only two important things. Say no to corruption, be faithful to the cause. That's my request. Now that you've been the chairman, you were the chairman of the service board, and indeed I've seen, have not received any claim of you to have solicited even a penny. I can see, Mama, your wife, Mama, please, I know you have been an employee of the county before. Feed this gentleman. Don't drive him crazy into issues of the public money or individuals' money. Be satisfied with the little that we'll be making as our salaries and other things that we are doing. Therefore, my humble request that it's you to make him stay in the office for the 10 years that we'll be in office. The judiciary is here. I know you are witnesses. We want to confirm to you that we are going to be faithful to the court. Knowing that if we mess up, we will definitely end up in the courtroom and we will send us into jail. We are very cautious on how we are going to manage the public affairs. Allow me, because I've seen one gentleman here, just to Ruben Monda. This is the brother, the former. The former DG. I'm happy that you have shown a lot. And actually, they are here. The brothers of the former. Thank you, guys, and I'm happy that you're not drinking from the cup of bitterness. You are here, really, to witness the new. That's why you are coming. Nitaenda abantu wamenitombiamo, Mheshimiwa Obebo, karibu kwa kazi, nisaidie kwa kazi, tunyare cross usiye. Mkongo akanitoa mshahara wewe, ya pesa ni kino, tore na iko kwa nyama wewe. Aquí voy a un coño. Es para que diga levanta que te va a hacer tres que bueno el coño tu tache, pero no se tres que lo pongo. Así ahora sí te tenía más reto de aquí. Ntorigo seca na boy. Ntorigo seca na kellion. Abantu bamutunyegeta abantu batanze kutunyana kibesa kukwira sote kubebo byanayo officers now chegei ndubese ndakora muntu ndubese gasi ntolikolika ntobasa kwechesa kubasa abantu abakana ile Nitaendelea kuendelea na familia familia ya Mheshimiwa Robert Mondandi amono sobocha oba Keroli no Mheshimiwa Obebo obeye deputy governor ndio mono ese family my spiritual leaders nitatemba kirem ndio mono pastors Omuraka and Matundra. Andiamo solo